Warning, what I just now filmed, there's a bunch of loud noises and a bunch of things pop up. If you don't like real loud noises or rain sounds, or you don't like watching rain or seeing real bright light, click off of this video. Now, for the ones of you that is watching, oh God, it's about to be a heck of a rainstorm in 3, 2, 1. It is flipping pouring the rain, guys! Look at this, that's the pool! I was gonna do my pool. Oh my God, I don't know if you guys
You're gonna have a big one. Wait a minute.
Oh God, I'm scared. How do you know?
Cause it's lightning way back that way.
Oh my God,
There it is.
it won't get us, will it?
There it is. There it goes.
Oh my God, guys! I was listening to my pool video tomorrow, and this pool is almost overflow. Oh, I hit my camera point right at that! Oh my God, guys! Oh, there's another one! Oh! This is awesome! We haven't had this kind of rain in a while. Oh my! We haven't had this kind of rain in a while. My main objective is to. Daddy, what the mama's tree? Okay, we're not talking about the flipping tree. Flip! I think maybe this should be a separate video.
Look at the lightning baby there.
Oh my God!
Keep it pointed back to that. That's, I think it's going to call it heat lightning. It's just constantly lightning.
Oh my God! Yes, it is. Oh my God!
Listen. Keep the camera rolling.
It is.
I don't think he's getting the lightning. There you go.
Oh my God! It's all going up! Oh crap! It's raining hard and getting on me even! I don't even care! Dude, this rain probably woke them up if they were in
I
bed!
doubt it. They're old people.
This is flipping! Stupid how this is working, guys!
Come here.
Is it about to come a big one?
Yeah. Look at the rain on the house coming off. Just keep it pointed up at the sky.
I have it.
There
Oh, there it went.
went.
That's a big one. This is awesome, guys. We might just be sitting. I am.
Yep. You did it. Well, you can hear just a minute.
Oh God, I hope we get a real big one. Oh my God, I feel it rumble under us. Oh my God, get it wet.
Look at the rain coming off the top of that house down there. Looks like a hurricane.
Oh, it's blowing hard, guys. Oh my gosh, next
There it
video
went.
will be the pool video.
There it went.
Next video, I'm just making this video on flipping rain. I'm documenting it. Oh my God, guys. It's crazy it's slowing down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For a second.
Hang. Oh, it's gonna become a big one right here. There it was. I'm looking at my mama's watch on right now. I wonder
Whoa.
what it says the
That
laser broadcasting.
That made it look like it was daylight out here. Armstead. Ooh, that's wet.
Okay, let's sit on the swing.
The swing's probably done wet.
No, it's not. Okay, guys, I'll pick up the video if anything crazy happens, but I'm going to go ahead and say, actually, no. Oh, I'm actually going.
Oh man, look back that way.
Oh,
Hold the camera
oh.
that way.
Oh, God, it just did say.
Keep it going.
Oh, this is crazy.
Here it goes.
That's gonna be another crazy one. Oh! Guys, so I am going. Next video you take might be a hurricane. We might be in my granny's basement, hiding from the hurricane because this is a hurricane. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't stop it. Okay, guys. I'll see you in a minute, I guess. Maybe. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my flipper, guys! I thought my video was gonna be over. Let's go make sure my mama's okay. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I just got soaked.
It's stuck. Oh,
I got soaked big time.
come on.
I ain't sitting down there.
Oh! No, you're scared sitting out here.
No, it's wet.
Whoa!
I ain't afraid.
Whoa.
I'm just soaked and I'm cold.
No, I want you to stop.
Whoa.
Let me see if it's still doing it over here.
I got soaked somehow. Oh, that's so fine.
Mama's sun fell.
Bit the dust.
Don't surprise me. Yeah, this is just a rain video. Comment down below if it's raining at your house, guys, like this, and comment where you live. 'Cause if any of you say like it's pouring at your house and you live in Bud, then that's where I'm at. So, this video will go up today. So this is, oh crap. So this is my mama. So whenever you just see this property, you want to come meet me? Oh! Yeah, guys, come on and sit in the swing. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on.
All that rain come off the top of the thing. I mean, I actually got drowned.
You jumped off.
I know I did.
Okay, guys, I might pick it back up and I might not. The end of the video. Oh! The end of the video was like,
Have you never seen it storm like
no,
this?
I've never.
8 years old, you've never seen a bad storm.
I've never seen this kind of storm.
Oh, well, okay.
Uh,
Well, now you can say you have.
okay, guys, if oh, I can see the streaks. I can see the streaks.
Okay, honey, okay.
Oh.